welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my confetti collection box for August of 2020. This is actually a bi-monthly subscription, so it's I think for August and September, or maybe it's July and August. I can't remember which month it's attached to, but it's for sure the August one, just so you know if you're interested in purchasing. This is of course bi-monthly. It's $19.99 every 2 months. It has giftable, stationery, and novelty items in the boxes, and it varies every other month. So sometimes you might get more novelty, you might get more stationery, and you might get more giftable. Sometimes you get a mix of all, and that's what's fun about it. And it's definitely worth the price 100%, and it's the most fun box that I've ever gotten. I have been with them for a year now, and they do send me this in PR, but just know 110% my opinions. You know I love to keep it honest on this channel, and yeah, I'm so excited to show you what is in here. I actually already opened it. Whoops, I got it in the mail the other day, and when I picked it up off of my porch, I was like, holy balls, this is heavy. And so I was intrigued because it was the heaviest box I've ever received, and I just had to know what was inside. So I already opened it, and I can definitely tell you this is probably my favorite box that I've gotten out of all of them so far. It's just, oh, it's so cute, and I absolutely love it. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open it. That's why it's back here. I don't want to hold it because it's like, it's heavy, and I'd probably gain 10 pounds in muscle in my arm if I was holding it, and I'm trying to lose the fat before I actually get the muscle. I'm just like going off on a tangent now. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying unboxings from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And if you would, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are a viewer, it would mean so much to me if you went ahead and subscribed. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, I know several of you have actually gotten this subscription box. I know because you guys have signed up under my link that I have in my description. I always have it in my description box. So if this is something that you're interested in, then definitely check it out. You can purchase through my link. Of course, it's an affiliate link, but you don't have to purchase through my affiliate link. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you what I got. And I do have to say that some of you that have purchased have messaged me and said how much you actually really like this box. So I'm so happy to hear it. Let's go ahead and open it up so I can show you. Now, every box has themes, and they recently started a few months back where there's more than one variant. I think there's either 2 or 3 different boxes that you could possibly get, and this is the box variant that I have. So the theme is Late Summer Picnic. Cook your favorite meals to celebrate the ones you love. Use the recipe book and meal planner to help organize your busy weeks. So there's a little spoiler, you guys. Oh, you guys, oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I've gotten plates before, or no, I don't remember if I have, but this is Late Summer Picnic themed. So this is themed to spend some quality time with your loved ones and throw a little picnic soiree, you know, whatever. And they included some really cute plates. So we have 2 packs of these big plates. Look at the design. So cute. Wait, it's upside down. So cute. Love that. And then here's the little plate, the dessert plate to go with it. So it has some plates in here to set up so you can have a nice cohesive theme going on. And they even included a really cute tablecloth. Let me open it real quick, and I will show you. At least I think it's a tablecloth. Nope, it's not a tablecloth. Why did I think this was a tablecloth? Wow, okay, not a tablecloth. This is freaking adorable. This is a wine tote. So if you're going somewhere, you can put your wine in this little tote. Like it's like fabric, like the thick fabric of like a tablecloth. That's what I thought. Not like the dollar store $1 that it can rip in 2 seconds tablecloth. Like a really nice tablecloth. This is what the material is, so that's why I thought it was a tablecloth. But no, it's just a little wine bag that you can carry your wine, or a Dr. Pepper if you don't drink, because I don't drink, so I would put some Dr. Pepper in here. Did you guys hear that there's a Dr. Pepper shortage? Because I did, and I'm freaking out. But anyways, this is the little wine holder bag. So cute. Love it. Tote my goats. Okay. next up, to go with the theme of the picnic, we have some cute little napkins that match the plates. So cute. And then we have super cute straws, and they're just paper straws because, you know, turtles. And yeah, I'm not gonna open them, but I cannot wait to use these. Here is a little spoiler. Very soon, a special somebody is going to be coming this month, and I think that I can use all of these items to throw a little like welcome party for her. So yes, definitely going to get some use out of that. And next up, when I saw this, I was like, girl, this looks like Kate Spade, like 100%. So we have a kitchen recipe notebook. Here it is, so cute. And it reminds me of Kate Spade because of, one, the stripes, and then also the lemons, because I don't know if you guys are familiar with Kate Spade. She's a designer, and she has these things on her website for like extremely expensive prices, but she has like the striped themes, she has the lemon themes, and I think my friend Sarah actually has one of her cookbooks, recipe books that have the lemon theme on it, but this one has both, and it's so cute. And when I saw this, I literally almost had a heart attack. So I am so excited about this. These things are expensive too. So you got recipe terms like base, blanch, cube, dash. Look, I already know all this stuff because have you ever seen Where's Cooks in America? And Burrell drills that into your brain. So remember slices, stick, dices, and shock and blanch. Anyways, you got volume conversions. Now this one I need because me and math are not friends, okay? We don't know math over here. Anyway, so you got a starter tab, you have soups and salad, main dishes, side dishes, breads and desserts, and lots of little, I don't know what these are. Oh, they're little like cards that you can like take out and like stick in a little card thingy. In the back it has substitutions, so if a recipe calls for something you could use something else, and abbreviations, so if you don't know what those mean. So I think this is a cute little book, and it has like little pockets and stuff so you can like put things in the pockets. But anyways, recipe books are a need in households, so excited to have that. And then the last thing in this box, I'm the most excited about. Now, I don't know how often I'll use it, but since my life is about to change drastically, and actually I have a feeling I'm going to use this more because my life is about to be so much more structured, and I cannot wait to talk about that in future videos, but it'll be near the end of the month before I can actually like tell you guys the secret, though I have already told everyone on Twitter, but not YouTube because my family doesn't know. This is actually a weekly planner for meals. So you have this big thing here. Oh, I hope you can see. Okay, here you can see it has Monday through Sunday. You got breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a market list. So if you need to write something down that you need to get at the market, which I do have grocery lists and whatnot that I've gotten in past boxes that I also use. And what's always great because they have this stuff, look at that, that's a magnet. So you can just plop it on your fridge and you have this really cute meal planner. It's so cute, and it's honestly like way better than having like one of those dry erase corkboard things because it's not taking up all space. I actually took mine down. Fun fact, in my kitchen I had one, a dry erase marker board with cork on one side. I took it down because I found a really cute painting that said the dishes are looking at me again dirty, and that doesn't fully 100% represent who I am as a person, and I don't know what does. So I'm so excited to have this and to put it on my fridge so I can have my dirty dish painting to represent to everyone that comes in my house that I am a dirty person. Just kidding, I'm not, but I just don't like doing the dishes. Anyways, so excited about this. So let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely go check out my past unboxings so you can see other boxes and things that I've gotten. This is definitely more like personal. Other ones has been like a lot of giftable items and also novelty. So like items that I could gift, which I have gifted a lot of them. But this one's like definitely something you personally can use unless you want to gift this stuff. I want to use it. So anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know all thoughts and opinions down below. Do you think this is worth it? I think it definitely is for the price. I think it's a phenomenal price for what you get, and you're not overwhelmed because it's bi-monthly. Anyways, if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!